You know, along the lines of Yiddish, at my grandfather's house, there were usually new immigrants from Russia who would come to Providence for whatever reason, and really had no place to stay, and so they did a little boarding on the side, and then on Sunday, my father and those of us who would want to accompany him to my grandfather's house would go, and I would love to listen to the conversation that was going on in Yiddish from these new immigrants. And they were forever talking about Rusland and being in Golis, that's the Galut. And I remember squatting, you know, away from this group, but I could hear them, and I loved it. And I'm sure no one would ever question why I was there, because I was quiet, you know. So it's interesting. That's one of the things I really, when I think back, I treasure it, because it was so meaningful to me. And I realize now, especially, I mean, as I got older, that I was really, it was a treat that not everybody had. But of course, in my brother and sister's case, they couldn't care less. So it wasn't part of their upbringing whatsoever.